Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Today we are back with another video or today we are going to learn a very powerful leadership skill, that is empathy and respect. Okay, so what is empathy? Empathy क्या है? Empathy is not about feeling sorry for someone. It's actually understanding someone's point of view, someone's feelings, someone's emotions with humility and respect. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल इमेजिन करें कि आपकी क्लास में किसी एक न्यू स्टूडेंट ने ज्वाइन किया और ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट वीक दैट स्टूडेंट स्टेज क्वाइट, वो ज़्यादा किसी से बात नहीं करता, वो क्लास डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करता ज़्यादा और अलग अलग सबसे बैठता है. सो व्हाट यू विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट स्टूडेंट? मे बी कि वो एरोगेंट है, मे बी ही और शी इज़ प्राउडी, वो किसी से बात नहीं करना चाहता, right? But now let's pause and think about few questions. What assumptions are students making? Students क्या assume कर रहे हैं उस student के बारे में? और what might be another explanation for this behavior? इस explanation के अलावा और क्या reason हो सकता है उसके इस behavior का? Think about that. और how might the student be feeling? वो कैसा स्टूडेंट कैसा फील कर रहा होगा इस टाइम पे? एंड व्हाट कुड एन एम्पैथिक क्लासमेट डू? यस, इस सिचुएशन में एक एम्पैथिक क्लास फेलो जो होगा वो कैसा बिहेव करेगा? एंड द लास्ट वन, व्हाट रिस्पेक्टफुल क्वेश्चन कुड यू आस्क टू दैट स्टूडेंट? मे बी यू कैन इनिशिएट अ कॉन्वर्जेशन, राइट? So, empathy asks us to become curious before becoming critical. So, that is a very important message. So, let's watch a video. और video का नाम है Don't Assume, Leave Some Room. And in this video, you will get to know that when we think we know something, but we actually don't, we end up not wanting to listen to something. ठीक है? So, let's watch the video and we'll continue after the video.
Welcome to the Jenny and Chris show. I'm Jenny.
And I am Chef Michel, but you can call me Chef.
Chris, why are you dressed in a chef costume?
Because I am auditioning for an upcoming role in the off-Broadway minor success comedy French Toast for our local community theatre.
Wow, that is so exciting.
So I thought I would do this entire episode in character as Chef Michel, the 17th best chef in the 6th best restaurant district in Paris.
This will be fun. Okay, and you know what?
Quoi?
What does that mean?
It means what in French?
Oh, you're really into this. Okay, I have a surprise for you.
Très bien. Awesome.
Ooh, okay, we're gonna have some delicious smoothies today.
No. Chef Michel will not drink this.
What? Why not? This is a wonderful blending of organic veggies and fruit, and it tastes so delicious.
No, it cannot. I mean, look at it. The color, it looks, how do you say, bad.
I have one every day. It makes me feel alive.
No. Maybe it makes you feel scared to be drinking something of this color, but...
Have you ever had a drink like this before?
No. I eat only the finest foods. Pizza, hamburger, French fries. You know, I would never drink something like this.
How do you know you won't like this?
Because I look at it and I say I will not like it.
Okay, let's pause here for a second. I want to make sure I listen and understand what you're trying to say. You think because it looks bad, you won't like the way that it tastes.
Très bien, Jenny, you are a very good listener.
Thank you, Chris. Oh, I mean, Chef Michel. Okay, let's get into today's topic of Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood.
Oh, so it's about listening.
Yes, and a little bit no. It's about this one thing that we do that makes us not listen in the first place.
Okay, great. So where is our activity? Do we have more rocks or a water experiment? Or, maybe we cook crepes.
Ooh, I love crepes, but no, actually it's right here.
Oh, okay. So what are we gonna do is this? Do we maybe finger painting or maybe we could pour it out and... No, we're not going to drink this?
When I first brought this out, you
said that I did not like it.
You did. You said that you wouldn't like the way that it tastes, right? You were assuming that because it's green, you wouldn't like it. But do you actually know what it tastes like?
Well, no. Okay, like moment of truth here,
Okay.
Jenny.
Yeah.
Chef Michel, he would probably try this. He loves everything about food, but me personally, I don't want to try this.
We're pretty good friends, right, Chris?
Yeah.
And I think you know that I always want what's best for you.
Yeah?
So if I tell you that I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this if you try it, will you trust me and give it a try?
Oh. Yeah, okay, yes.
What do you think?
I love it.
Wait, do you love it or does Chef Michel love it?
We both love it.
Yep, and that brings us to our lesson for today.
How could something so tasty look so not tasty?
When we think we know something, but we actually don't, we can end up not wanting to listen to other people.
Because we think we know already.
Yeah, we assume we know.
Great. Now can I please have some more?
Before we snack down on this together, I think we should go over our memory phrase just to help us remember.
Okay, let's do it.
It's don't assume, leave some room.
And don't assume means don't make stuff up.
That's one way to think about it.
Like if I had assumed I didn't like this drink just because of the way it looked.
And what would have happened if you kept assuming you didn't like it?
Well, we wouldn't have had a chance to share this magnifique drink.
Which is awesome. And what do you think leave some room means?
I think leave some room means that I should leave some space in my brain for other people's thinking and ideas.
Nicely said.
Fantastique! Now, may I please have some more?
I bet I can drink more than you.
Oh, you wish.
Okay, so how many of us can relate to the situation that we have just watched in the video? क्या होता है हमें लग रहा होता है हमें सब पता है कि नहीं ऐसे ही होगा, but we actually don't know the truth, we don't know the reality, right? So it's very important to put ourselves in someone else's shoe. That's what it's called, being empathic. Okay, so let's do some reflective thinking. And before we can understand others, let's think of a time जब हम चाह रहे थे या हम चाहते हैं कि कोई हमें understand करे. So on the screen you will have 5 questions and we will have 5 minutes time to answer those questions. Think about that, reflect the time, reflect a situation when you face this situation. Alright, so the first question is, think of a time when someone misunderstood you. यस कभी ना कभी हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ होगा कि हम किसी को कुछ समझाना चाह रहे हों बट वो हमें नहीं समझ रहे हों या वो हमें मिसअंडरस्टैंड कर रहे हों. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डिड इट मेक यू फील. यस सो व्हेन यू फेल्ट लाइक दिस दैट समवन इज मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग यू, आपको कैसा फील होता है. द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डिड यू विश दे न्यू अबाउट योर सिचुएशन. यस आप क्या चाहते हैं कि उनको आपकी सिचुएशन के बारे में क्या पता हो. The fourth question is, what assumptions did they make about you? Definitely अगर वो आपको misunderstand कर रहे हैं तो कोई ना कोई आपकी assumption बनाई होगी उन्होंने, right? So what do you think कि क्या assumption बनाई है उन्होंने आपके बारे में? And the last question is, if they had shown empathy, what might they have done differently? कि अगर वो आपकी situation को समझते हुए, अपने आप को आपकी जगह रखते हुए अगर आपको समझते, empathic होते आपसे, तो how they behave differently, किस तरह से differently behave करते हो. Okay, so we have 5 minutes time and we will join after the timer. Okay, so how did you feel? I'm sure we all can relate to this situation, to the scenarios that we have just answered in this activity. Now let's imagine a scenario. Think or imagine that you texted one of your friend, a very close friend, and they replied, "Leave me alone." So आपको उस वक्त हर्ट हुआ होगा, राइट? बट और हो सकता है कि आप सोचें कि वाओ दैट्स सो रूड, बट लेट्स पुट ऑन द एम्पैथी लेंस. हो सकता है कि उनके कोई रीज़न हो, कोई वजह हो. सो लेट्स रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन some of the questions. What emotions might your friend be experiencing? क्या एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हों, किस तरह का इमोशंस हों उनके? What might have happened before they send that message? कि जब आपका मैसेज उनको मिला हो सकता है वो किसी सिचुएशन में हो, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हों. और what needs could they have at that moment? उनको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत हो सकता है उस टाइम पे. How would a respectful response look? Yes. So now you being empathic and respectful, how would you respond to that text message? And what would happen if you reacted with anger instead? And instead of being empathic, आपने भी उनको उसी टोन में, उसी रूड बिहेवियर से आपने उनको रिस्पॉन्ड कर दिया, तो कैसा फील करेंगे वो, right? So think about few of the questions that we have just discussed and imagine कि कभी हमने ऐसा कुछ feel किया है either on the message, either face to face, कहीं ना कहीं हमने इस तरह का कुछ ना कुछ face किया होगा. So what if you later discovered that they had received upsetting news from the home? और आपको बाद में पता चले कि उनको अपने घर से कोई अपसेटिंग, कोई सैड, कोई डिस्टर्बिंग न्यूज़ उनको मिली हो जिसकी वजह से उन्होंने इस तरह का रिस्पॉन्ड किया हो, राइट? सो दिस इज़ व्हाट अबाउट बीइंग एम्पैथिक. वी शुड पुट आवरसेल्व्स इन समवन एल्सेस शू. So as we have discussed that empathy is not about only feeling sorry for someone. It's about understanding someone's point of view. And for that we are going to watch a video, and the video will help us understand that what happens when someone listens to us with empathy and what happens to us when someone don't listen to us with empathy. So let's watch the video.
Hey guys, welcome to the Max and Holly show. That's Holly.
And he's Max.
And today we're talking about listening well.
Because it's something we all need to practice.
That's right.
Max, do you have an example of a time when someone wasn't listening to you very well?
It's funny you should ask. I've actually been having a hard time with my mom recently.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's weird. We usually get along really well.
Oh, what's been going on?
Well, lately I've just been asking a lot of big life questions.
Like what?
I don't know, just questions about who I am as a person and why I sometimes feel a little different from everyone else.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know. Growing up is hard. We always hear all these things about how we're supposed to act and behave and the kind of things we should like and not like, and I often feel like I just don't really follow the trend.
I had no idea. It must be hard.
And I love my mom very much, but when I bring it up with her, she just gets uncomfortable and tries to find a solution. It's like she thinks everything is a problem that needs to be fixed.
And you just want to be heard?
Yeah, like when I bring up something that she doesn't understand, she tries to change what I'm saying so it makes sense to her. I'm just as confused as she is. I just wish I felt more support to open up about these big life questions instead of her just telling me what to do about it.
Yeah.
But I know she means well, and she loves me very much.
She really does. And it sounds like you want to talk to her about these things.
You know, I think if I just sat her down and told her that I need her to listen, because when she tries to fix me, it only makes me feel worse, then I may be able to open up to her about my big life questions. And she's a pretty cool mom, so I think she would understand.
I think she will.
You know, Holly, I'm feeling better already. Thank you.
Don't thank me. I didn't do anything.
No, but you did.
I did?
You listened. You let me share my feelings without trying to fix me.
Oh.
You made me feel safe and valued, and because of that, I was able to process some of my own feelings and even come up with a bit of a solution on my own.
Oh, that's awesome. I didn't know I had it in me.
I think that's all for the episode then.
What, really?
Yeah, next time someone is opening up to you about something important, just do what Holly did. Encourage them, listen carefully. Don't judge them, and don't try and rush to find a solution. Sometimes people just need somebody to listen.
Do what Holly did. I like the sound of that.
Stop, you know what I mean. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Do what Holly did.
I'm just saying we should put it in more episodes.
Yeah, your advice is all right.
We're still rolling, right? We have that on
come
camera.
on.
Max, we have that on camera.
You know, Max, I've also been having some pretty big life questions. And I've been thinking about the future and, you know, everything that's happening.
even care about you.
Max!
What?
Are you even listening?
Did you say something? I'm sorry.
It's fine. Never mind.
Okay.
Alright, so we have watched the video. So did you like the video? Okay. So in the video we have seen that how it feels when someone don't listen to us and how we feel when someone listens to us. So now reflect few of the questions. Open your notebook and we have 3 questions to answer, and for each question you will have 2 minutes time to answer those questions. So the first question is, how do you feel when someone interrupts you all the time? कैसा लगता है जब whenever you are talking और बीच बीच में कोई interrupt करता रहे? And how do you feel when someone really listens to and understands you? और तब कैसा लगता है जब कोई हमें वाकई समझता है, हमें सुनता है अच्छे से, तब हमें कैसा feel होता है? So let's have 2 minutes for answering this question. The second question is, what are some signs that someone is really listening to you? कैसे पता चलता है कि कोई हमें सुन रहा है, कोई हमें समझ रहा है? And what are some signs that someone isn't? और कैसे पता चलता है कि कौन से ऐसे actions और behaviors होते हैं जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि that person is not listening to us? So again, let's have 2 minutes. The last question is, what could you say or do in a situation when someone isn't listening to you and you really want them to? Yes, तो ऐसी situation जिसमें आपको कोई नहीं सुन रहा है and you really want them to listen, so what you can say to them or what you can do in that situation, being empathic. Alright, so again let's have 2 minutes to answer this question and then we'll continue. ओके सो वेलकम बैक एंड आई एम श्योर कि हम में से सब ने कभी ना कभी ऐसा फेस किया होगा कि हम कभी किसी से कुछ बात कहने जाते हैं एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ लिसनिंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग दे जस्ट इंटरप्ट अस एंड दे स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस. So that's not empathy. Empathy क्या है? Empathy is about understanding someone, right? But some people, they just listen to reply. Even many of us can relate कि हमसे कोई आके कोई बात कहता है and हमारे जहन में उसका जवाब बनना शुरू हो जाता है. हम जैसे ही वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि जैसे ही वो चुप हो तो हम अपनी बात करना शुरू करें या अपना मशवरा देना शुरू करें. So empathy is not about giving advices. Sometimes all a person wants is someone to listen to them, to understand them. And what we can do in this, we can ask the person if someone is coming to us and they are telling us their story. So what we can do is, we can ask them, do you want the advice? Right? Or what else we can do? Instead of giving advices, we can tell them or we can ask them that, can you tell me more about it? So the person will feel the person will feel that someone is listening to them. So think about this कि हमारे साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ हो कि we wanted only someone to listen to us, कि हमें उनसे advices नहीं चाहिए हो, हमें उनसे solution नहीं चाहिए हो, but we wanted them to listen, right? So let's quickly move towards a very interesting story, और story का नाम है The Listening Doctor. So the story is about a boy whose name is Timmy and he was feeling sick. So Timmy went to the doctor because he was feeling sick. When the doctor met Timmy, she looked him in the eyes and asked, "How are you feeling? Your nose and your cheeks are a little red," observed the doctor with her eyes. "How long have they been red?" So the doctor asked, कि कब से red हैं आपकी nose और आपकी eyes? Timmy shrugged his shoulders, looked away and whispered, "I don't know." The doctor could see that Timmy was nervous. Her heart told her that Timmy might be frightened of her. When she told Timmy that she needed to look inside his throat, she could see that it worried him even more. The doctor reached into her drawer and pulled out a big red sucker. She could see in Timmy's face that he liked suckers. Timmy, she said, I need to hold your tongue down with my big red sucker so I can see your throat. Ah, said Timmy quickly. The doctor also looked in Timmy's ears and listened to his heart. She truly diagnosed before she prescribed a little medicine. Thanks, doctor, mumbled Timmy, with the sucker still resting on his tongue. The doctor could see that Timmy was already feeling better by the way he skipped out the door. So Timmy's doctor listened with her ears, eyes, and heart. So let's think about these questions, that what did her ears tell her? Yes, think about it. And what did her eyes tell her? And what did her heart tell her? Think about it. And how you can relate it with the empathy. Alright? Okay, so here's a question for you to answer. On the screen, you can see a question, and the question says, how can you be like a doctor and diagnose before you prescribe when listening to others or trying to solve a problem? Yes. So how you can act like the doctor that we have just seen in the story, that what she did, she diagnosed before prescribing, right? And she listened to Timmy with her ears, her eyes, and her heart, right? And how you can solve the problem. So we have 2 minutes to answer these questions. Alright, so did you enjoy the story? Was it interesting? Okay, so now we are going to watch a video, and in the video you will see that how it feels when someone don't listen to us, right? So let's quickly watch the video and then we'll continue.
How's it going, buddy? Good night last night?
Yeah.
So I was thinking about the episode today, and I was thinking, like, I want to go deeper.
Right.
I want to go deeper with our audience so that we don't miss an opportunity to have, like, a real impact with them.
That's great.
So specifically...
That is great, though.
Yeah, well, thanks, man.
Yeah, I mean it.
Specifically, I was thinking about the time I was telling about my high school situation where I didn't have a big picture, and so that left me like a little bit floundering.
Yeah.
But I feel like I missed out on a lot of details, and so I was telling that story to you guys.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
no, it wasn't funny. That's the thing. You guys thought I was making a joke, but I was telling you a very sincere story.
But that was fantastic, though.
No, but no, are you
Yeah.
not listening to what I'm saying?
No,
I'm saying it was.
I think about it all the time.
Yeah, but that hurt my feelings.
Wow.
So that's what I wanted to share with the people so that they would understand that sometimes,
Wow.
like, I just don't think you care.
I can't wait to see you tonight.
Are you even listening to me?
Hold on one second. Hey, no, babe, I'll just call you back. What are you talking
Have
about?
you been on the phone the whole time?
Yeah.
You haven't heard a word I've been saying.
What are you talking?
I'm talking about the episode. Our episode today.
What are we filming today?
Seek first to understand and then be understood.
Oh yeah, I've been thinking about that. Hey, I think we should go deeper with. Hey guys, can we go deeper with these videos?
Great idea.
Yeah, like remember Clark's thing, the high school thing, and we all thought he was joking, but it turns out it was serious. I think we should put that and incorporate that into the videos.
You know what? That's perfect.
Yeah.
We'll totally do that. You know what, guys? We're gonna start in 5 seconds. So get ready. Pump up the energy. 5, 4, 3, 2, and action.
Hey everybody, what's up? We're about to get deep, bro.
We got a great idea that Manny came up with.
I did. I just thought of it, and I think you guys are gonna love it because we're talking personal stories about us.
Alright, so did you enjoy the video? Wonderful. So let's quickly move towards the self-check. और सेल्फ चेक का नाम है हाउ रिस्पेक्टफुल एम आई. येस, बिकॉज लीडरशिप बिगिंस विद सेल्फ अवेयरनेस. तो जो लीडर होता है वो पहले अपने ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट करता है कोई भी प्रैक्टिस, कोई भी हैबिट अप्लाई करने से, दूसरों को बताने से पहले. ऑलराइट, सो ऑन द स्क्रीन यू विल सी 5 स्टेटमेंट्स, और उन 5 स्टेटमेंट में यू विल हैव टू रेट योर सेल्फ आउट ऑफ 5. 5 is the most and 1 is the least. Alright, so the first statement is I listen without interrupting. Yes, so how would you rate yourself in this? Would you rate yourself 5 or 1 or any number in between? The second statement is I respect people who disagree with me. Yes, so how do you respect people, those who don't agree with you? The third statement is I avoid judging people quickly. Yes, that's a very good quality if you don't quickly judge someone. The fourth statement is I try to understand before responding. जी, इस चीज़ में अपने आप को कितना रेट करेंगे आप? 5, the highest, 1, the lowest, or any number in between? The fifth and the last statement is I treat everyone with dignity. Yes, so how would you rate yourself? And which area received your lowest score and why? So we have 2 minutes time to rate yourself. You will have these statements on your screen, and after 2 minutes we will discuss. All right, welcome back. So, did you enjoy the activity? And let's tell our partner, जो भी आपके बराबर में है, कि सबसे कम स्कोर आपका कौन से स्टेटमेंट में है और सबसे हाईएस्ट स्कोर आपका कौन से स्टेटमेंट में है. All right? Now, let's think about a scenario. Imagine that there is a student in your class who keeps falling asleep during the class. Or the teachers and the classmates feel very irritated with that student. And people say that that student is very lazy or they don't care about studies. But later on, you discovered that that student spend every night caring for a sick family member. वो रोज़ाना क्लास में इसलिए सो रहा होता है कि वो रात भर किसी अपने फैमिली मेम्बर की टेक केयर कर रहा होता है. That family member is sick, right? So how would you feel? And when you got to know the actual situation, how did your opinion change? Think about it. And why do people judge so quickly? Yes, क्यों लोग इतना जल्दी जज कर लेते हैं? And what information were you missing? आपको ऐसा उस वक्त क्या नहीं पता था जिसकी वजह से आप जज कर रहे थे? And how could empathy change your response? So instead of saying that that student is lazy and they don't want to study, अगर आप इसकी जगह empathy से काम लेते, so क्या response आपका different होता? So let's think about these questions. And how many people around us might be carrying struggles we know nothing about? हमारे आसपास कितने सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो struggle कर रहे हैं और उनकी hidden story हमें नहीं पता. So what we can do, we can treat them with kindness, we can treat them with empathy, right? Okay, so let's imagine a scenario. Think yourself as a person that you find difficult. आप एक दिन सो के उठे and you became the person जो कि आपको इतने, you don't like that person, right? And you have their family, you have their challenges, you have their life, you have their responsibilities, you have their fears. So now let's think about few questions. On the screen you will see some questions and you will have time to answer those questions. The first question is, would you see them differently? How would you see them when you wake up and you find yourself as a person that you don't like? The second question is, would your judgments become softer? Might be any reason that you don't like them. Might be they change. The third question is, what would you understand that you don't understand today? Yes, कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो आप आज अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करते उनकी, बट जब आप उस इंसान की तरह बन के उठेंगे, so would you understand their situation? The last question is, how might empathy change the way you treat them tomorrow? Yes, that's a very important question, that how the empathy will change your response towards them. So you have 3 minutes time to answer those questions. Alright, so I hope you have enjoyed this activity, and leadership begins when we stop asking the questions like what happened to this person, what have they said, what have they responded, right? And with this video, we have a question that will be your homework, and the homework question is, what is one conversation this week where you can choose empathy instead of quick judgment? Alright, so this is your homework, and during this time, try to be empathic rather than giving advices to someone. Alright, because empathy does not make you weak, it makes your leadership more human. Alright, so thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.